How to add Vanilla Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add Vanilla Visa card to Apple Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. For this, we'll be using an app called Pass2. So simply search for Pass2U Wallet, and after you search for Pass2U Wallet, simply download this app. After you download it, you can then open it up. After you open it up, tap on this plus icon on the bottom right. Then here you can tap on apply a pass template. And right here, all you need to do is search for Vanilla Visa gift card. So let's search for it. Gift Visa card, Visa gift card. And after you search for that, hit done. And you should find Vanilla Visa gift card. You can see many people have applied for it as well. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you can select the balance here. You can select your CVV, your card number, and then you can simply scan or tap your barcode as well. Then after you're done with all of that, you can tap on the done on the top right and tap on add on the top right. After you tap on add, you can then head back to your Apple Wallet and check if it's been added or not. And there you can see it's been added. And that's basically how you do this, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.